Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to leave a review on timeforyourdreamtour.com. It's quick and easy. First, once you are on timeforyourdreamtour.com, log in with your email and password. If you haven't registered yet, you can create an account first. To find the tour you want to review, use the search bar and select one of the locations you visited. Then, choose your multi-day package or the specific tour you went on. Now it's time to leave your review. Give your tour a rating, add a title, and write your comment. You can also leave a review even if you are not officially registered, simply as a guest. In this case, you'll be asked to enter your email address before publishing your review. When you're done, click Submit. Thank you in advance for your review. Your feedback will help future travelers plan their perfect trip, share experiences, and discover all the highlights.